doing some blacksmithing? Or?
Been doing a little blacksmithing.
Yeah, that's cool.
Are you filming right now, Brandon?
Yes.
Okay, this is going to be, it's not quite hot enough, but this is going to be the part that accepts the handle. I'm going to try and cut this.
Your battery might die on you.
Alright, I didn't show this piece earlier, but this is going to be the blade part of a bearded Viking axe. And this is all pieces from a chainsaw bar. I just want to show this part. So this is, come over here and check this out. This is going to be my version of a goat's beard, but I can't get my fire hot enough to do a forge weld, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pin it or rivet it and go from there. So you get a shot right on top and see what it looks like. And this is all come out of the same chainsaw bar. So.
Is that it?
That's it. Nice McDonald's commercial. Alright, here's what I got.
Price and participation may vary.
And I'm going to drill this, put some rivets in it, and hammer it out a little bit more. And blend the top part here. Let's see if I can point it out. Try to blend this in a little bit more with the blade. We're looking at not too bad for a first shot out. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm kind of jumping ahead here a little bit. I have the rivets in it and I got it all pretty much hammered together. I'm going to heat it up, let it cool down, and probably do some file work on it. And I'm not so worried about the blade part, it's the back end that I want to clean up, so let her cool down. The rivets held up pretty good. They're not too ugly looking. I can clean them up, I believe. We'll see. Alright, this is the final product. This axe turned out pretty well. I like it. I haven't put a good sharp on it yet, but I think it turned out pretty good. I'll have to get a little sheath for it and then throw it in the pack. But it's nice and sturdy. It's made out of chainsaw bars, as I mentioned before. It's got some super big pins in it. It seems to hold up to pounding. And now I'm going to go on to the next one. Collect up some axes. Thanks for watching.